Bro, building a website in 2026 should be easy, right? Every AI tool says one prompt and done, but pick the wrong one, and you're stuck fixing broken layouts for hours. So I tested the most popular AI website builders to find the real winner. By the end, you'll know exactly which one to use. No time wasted testing. To keep things fair, I judged every tool using 5 simple categories. First, design and quality, because if the site looks bad, the tool is basically useless. Second, ease of use. How fast can you actually build your website without struggling? Third, features and flexibility. Can you customize things, or are you stuck with whatever AI gives you? Fourth, pricing and value. Are you really getting what you paid for? And finally, scalability. Will your website still hold up when real traffic starts coming in? Let's start with Google's Firebase AI Builder. Starting a project is extremely simple. You enter a prompt and the website begins generating immediately. Design, the layout looks clean, but it's pretty minimal. Most sections don't include images, and the site usually becomes one long scrolling page. Features: Firebase focuses mainly on prompt editing. You can adjust sections, but the builder lacks advanced design tools. Scalability. Since it runs on Google's cloud infrastructure, scalability is solid. Pricing. The biggest issue is pricing. Firebase uses a pay-as-you-go system, which can become unpredictable if traffic increases. Some users report sudden spikes in cost. Not bad for something simple, but it definitely has limitations. Next up is Replit. Getting started is simple. You enter a prompt, choose what you're building, and the generation begins immediately. But here's where things slow down. Generating the full website can take up to 20 minutes. Design. The design quality is actually pretty nice. The site looks modern and clean. You even get light mode and dark mode options. Features. However, customization is limited. You can change colors and fonts, but deeper editing options are missing. Scalability. Replit has limits on CPU, memory, and storage. It works well for small projects, but it struggles with bigger traffic. Pricing plans start around $25 per month, which is quite high compared to others. Decent for prototypes, but not ideal for serious projects. Now let's talk about the one that surprised me the most. Hostinger. Most people know it as a hosting platform, but its AI website builder is seriously impressive. The setup is super simple. You open the dashboard, go to the marketplace, and the builder is right there. No confusion, no digging, just click and start. Building the website, to keep things fair, I use the same prompt. Next Gen AI Academy. Hostinger even gives your prompt a quality score, so you know if the AI has enough info before generating. That alone saves a ton of time. Then you hit generate, and the site appears fast. Ease of use. The editor is clean and beginner-friendly. You get a setup checklist, an easy-to-use element panel, and built-in AI tools. Everything just makes sense. Design and quality. This is where things get impressive. The layout feels intentional. Images match the theme. Everything actually works. No broken buttons, no weird AI glitches. Features and flexibility. This is where Hostinger dominates. You get powerful built-in AI tools, including an AI SEO assistant that generates optimized content for your site. And editing is super smooth. Click anything arrow, change it instantly. Scalability. Hostinger uses cloud hosting, so your site can grow without crashing. You can upgrade resources anytime, and global servers keep your site fast worldwide. Pricing. This is the final piece. Plans can go as low as $3 per month with long-term options. Even monthly is around $14. Plus, you get a free domain. That's insane value. And yeah, nothing else even comes close. Final winner. So after testing everything, Hostinger is the clear winner. It's fast, easy to use, packed with features, and built to scale. And when you combine that with its pricing, it becomes a no-brainer. So if you want the fastest way to launch a clean AI website, check the link in the description and try it yourself. And if this video helped you out, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.